umuntu angithi angithi wena umuntu awusisi isilwane
You are a person,
thani
not an
wena
animal.
thani ngokuba
Say
wena
yes, for I
ukholwa ngenhliziyo
believe with my heart,
thina siyaphambanisa apostoli
but we
sikholwa
usually turn
ngomlomo
this around.
ukukholwa kwethu umshumayeli
We only
ushenge
believe
sikutshela
through
abantu
saying.
ukuthi
We
siyakholwa
want to tell
lento disho
people
umfundisi
about
ubanza la ethi
as
asiboni
he
inkambo
said, we
muso
want
ukuthi
to
wena
see
uyathoba
the way you
ngokusho
do,
ngomlomo
not just through your
izenzo
mouth, but your
ezizosho
will
ukuthi
tell
lona
us that you are
kuyakholwa
indeed
abantu base
saved.
babona ukuthi lo
People will
uyakholwa
see it
izenzo
through
zakho
your
hayi
actions,
ukusho kwakho
not through what you say.
ngoba nezigebengu ziyama lazisho
Even criminals say they are saved.
sima lesigebengu sithi I believe and I declare isigebengu my life
will never
it has said
be the same again.
inkunzi malanga kachakide
But you are actually very noisy.
bayama la umuntu esuka kade eqa umlilo esesa azothi
They
ningayeki
stand
umlilo
there
kade
after
weqa
going to
yena
witch doctors.
uyakwazi umuntu ukuzomala athi
They
ungafebi
come here and
kade
they
suka
say
yena esokeni
they
noma
don't
kade
fornicate,
sukelele
but they are
nentombazane
coming from their
afika
partner.
azothi lana musani yekani
They
ukufeba
come here and
akhulume
tell
kahle
others to
kanti
stop
hayi webazalwane
fornicating, but
lento
the other ones
yokukholwa
This thing of faith
ilungisa umuntu
fixes a person,
imhlaba besimkhombisa ukweduka
comes
kwakhe
against him and
makade ashiye izono
scrutinizes him,
zakhe
and then transforms his sin
makade kalunga emveni
and
kwalokho
comes to righteousness.
bese kugcineni lento
And then
esijawu kuzoyisho la
He
ukuthi
wants to come to the
ngisindisiwe
front and say, I am